Good morning from the garden in the woods. And you can see this morning I'm watering some of the backyard with water that I got from a slit in the well pump line that I've shown on other videos. And anyway, I've been doing that off and on as there has been enough water in the trough over there. Anyway, so we'll let that down for a minute and come over here and we'll show you what's happening over here at our seed table. You can see the seeds, the sweet basil seedlings that were in a pot like that, one of those little grow pots. Again, you can put your seedlings in a lot of different kinds of pots. A lot of people like to use these plastic pots like this. And I've taken these seedlings and I've put them into plastic pots. And you can see there's there's two in that particular pot. There's 1, 2 in that particular pot. There's one there, a couple there, one there. And then here is my, here's my common mint that I plan to transplant fairly soon. And you can see some of this basil is ready to be harvested. We've already harvested some and had some in our salads, and it was very good. And there's one there. Now the sun will hit this a little bit later on today. I'll come over here. I want to show you again what came from one of those. You can see I have 16 sweet basil seedlings from the year 2000 growing in these little white grow bags. And they look pretty happy. Okay, what else are we going to talk about this morning? I think I'll show you a couple of my different tomato plants this morning. Here's a garden peach plant, and it is in a 10-gallon grow pot. Again, you can use plastic pots. That would work just fine. And this particular plant has about 35 garden peach tomatoes on it. It has done very, very well on this bamboo trellising that it's grown up on. There's another marigold that I've grown up from seed in order to try to keep snakes out of my garden. And I'll show you a Rutgers. This is a Rutgers plant that you'll be seeing here in just a minute. I grew it from seed also, and it's also in a 10-gallon grow bag, and it's done very, very well. You can see there's probably 10 or 11 Rutgers tomatoes on this particular plant. And last but not least, I just wanted to show you a few of my lemon cucumbers that are here in the garden. And they are almost ready for harvest. See if I can find another one. There's one up there. You can see that. But thank you for spending a little time with me in my garden today. I hope your garden is growing well. I pray that you have a blessed day.